TechnoGIMP Module 9. Back to 1800. Overview. Situation. To celebrate Buwan ng Wika, your teacher asks you to upload photos that show your love for the Filipino language and nationalism. You decided to edit the photos you have downloaded from the internet by making it look old. Do this by changing the color of the photos to sepia and black and white using XGimp. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Use the sepia filter to apply a sepia tone. Number 2. Use the black and white filter to apply a black and white tone. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. Sepia, a monochrome image with a dark brown tint, meaning it records light in a single color or wavelength. Sepia filter. The sepia filter is used to change the color of an image to sepia tone. To use this filter, go to the Filter tool and select Filters, Sepia. Black and white filter. The black and white filter is used to change the color of an image to black and white tone. To use this filter, go to the Filter tool and select Filters, Black and White. Let's practice. Applying the sepia filter. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then, tap Gallery. Number 2. Select the photo you want to edit. Number 3. To apply the sepia filter, go to the Filter tool, Filters, Sepia. Number 4. The filter should then be applied to the image. Tap Save once done. Number 5. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save Copy. Applying the black and white filter. Number 1. To apply the black and white filter, go to the Filter tool, Filters, Black and White. Number 2. The filter should then be applied to the image. Tap Save once done. Number 3. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save Copy.